Imagine you're the ultimate gaming champion, about to claim the world's top prize. You've just gotten your hands on the new GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC, and this behemoth of a system is the key to unlocking unparalleled performance. But can it deliver? You see, in the world of PC gaming, the competition is fierce, and gamers are constantly on the lookout for that one system that checks all the boxes: power, performance, style, and value. That's where GIGABYTE's AORUS Gaming Desktop PC comes in. Let's dive into the key pain points that this product addresses. Traditional gaming desktops often require a deep understanding of PC hardware and a willingness to compromise on aesthetics. They're often bulky, noisy, and lack the seamless user experience that gamers crave. But the AORUS Gaming Desktop PC is different. It's a carefully crafted powerhouse designed to deliver top-tier performance without sacrificing style or user-friendliness. As soon as you unbox the GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC, you'll notice its sleek and modern design. The sharp yet sleek mid-tower case is crafted with a tempered glass side panel that showcases the system's internal components. The entire design exudes a sense of sophistication and high-end quality, making it perfect for showcasing in home or office environments. But let's talk about the real stars of the show, the components inside. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, a behemoth of a processor designed for the most demanding workloads. Paired with this behemoth is the AORUS RTX 5090 graphics card, a high-end graphics processor that can handle the most graphics-intensive games at maximum resolutions and detail settings. Backing up these components is 64 GB DDR5 RAM, providing an enormous amount of memory for multitasking, content creation, and gaming. And with a 2 TB Gen 5 SSD, you'll enjoy near-instant loading times and rapid access to your games, software, and data. But GIGABYTE has also paid close attention to the system's cooling needs. They've equipped the AORUS Gaming Desktop PC with a 360mm AORUS AIO liquid cooler and their signature WindForce cooling system, featuring innovative Hawk fans configured for optimal airflow path. This means the system runs remarkably quietly and stays incredibly cool, even during intense gaming sessions or resource-intensive workloads. Now, let's talk about the RGB Fusion 2.0, a beautifully designed lighting system that lets you customize the colors, patterns, and effects of your system's RGB lights. It's a feature that's sure to delight gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. But does it deliver in the real world? I spent several weeks putting the GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC through its paces, testing its performance in various scenarios. During my evaluation, I was impressed by the seamless experience offered by the Windows 11 Home operating system, which provided lightning-fast boot times and snappy overall performance. I also marveled at the AORUS RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting system, which allowed me to customize my lighting scheme to match my mood and environment. I also put the system's cooling system to the test, gaming for extended periods and running resource-intensive workloads to see how well the system stayed cool. The results were impressive. The GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC consistently stayed within safe temperature ranges, even during prolonged gaming sessions. But with great power comes great cost. Does the GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC's high-performance design justify its premium price? Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: powerful AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor for demanding workloads. Exceptional graphics performance from the AORUS RTX 5090 graphics card. Ample 64 GB DDR5 RAM for multitasking and content creation. Near-instant loading times with a 2 TB Gen 5 SSD. Effective all-round cooling system, keeping temperatures in check. Beautiful RGB lighting and customizable lighting scheme. Cons: high price point, which may be out of budget for some users. Large power consumption may increase electricity bills when compared to competing options. The GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC stands out for its unparalleled performance, sleek design, and comprehensive feature set. The AORUS Supreme 5AS5 A7N9-5000 is a premium gaming laptop that offers competitive performance but can't quite match the raw power of this system. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC is a comprehensive powerhouse designed to deliver the ultimate gaming experience. With its AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, AORUS RTX 5090 graphics card, and 64GB DDR5 RAM, it offers unparalleled performance and capabilities that make it perfect for even the most demanding users. If you're a serious gamer, content creator, or just someone looking for a top-notch system, the GIGABYTE AORUS Gaming Desktop PC is a must-consider option. Order yours today and experience the thrill of seamless performance and exceptional value.